equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by powering off your ASUS UM425Q and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, carefully remove the back panel. You will need to unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back panel off, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. If you feel this is too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, locate the battery connector and carefully disconnect it. This step is essential to prevent any electrical issues while you work on the screen replacement. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the screen assembly. There are usually 4 screws on the hinges of the screen. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and set them aside. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the base. Be careful with the display cable connected to the motherboard. You will need to disconnect this cable by carefully lifting the connector. If you're unsure about this step, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can send your laptop to us for repair without any hassle. Now, take your new screen and connect the display cable to the motherboard. Ensure it is securely attached before proceeding. Once connected, align the new screen with the hinges and gently lower it into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the screen assembly back to the base. After securing the screen, reconnect the battery. This is a simple process. Just align the connector and press it down until it clicks into place. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Before you power on your laptop, take a moment to ensure everything is in its proper place. If you're feeling uncertain about any of these steps, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can know the costs upfront if you decide to seek professional help. Now, power on your ASUS UM425Q and check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your laptop screen. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with your repair needs from the comfort of your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.